What's up, traders? So before this video gets started, if you guys can do me a huge favor and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I actually had 86 subscribers. As we can see here, I had 85 subscribers plus one. So I had 86 subscribers, but out of nowhere, YouTube just yoinked 16 on my subscribers, which kind of sucks because I was really trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of August, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. But make sure you guys subscribe and check out my other videos. These are some of my other videos that I've been posting. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. But now let's get into the reason you clicked on this video. What's up, traders? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Workhorse. Am I bullish? Am I bearish? What do I think is going to happen? What are some news about it? First of all, I need to get this out the way. I am very bullish on Workhorse. The reason I'm very bullish is because I'm just bullish in the fact that there are a lot of companies out there that are beginning to produce their own product, right? With an increase of Amazon and Amazon sales, there's a lot more delivery, right? And all these like FedEx, USPS, and UPS, they all have to have a way to save money in the long run. And they could definitely be saving a lot of money if they increased their, basically the way that they transport their delivery services. So if they were to basically increase the efficiency of their trucks by getting and switching over to an electric truck that Workhorse can certainly provide, it would save them a lot of money. So if we read in the About section, it says Workhorse Group Incorporated engages in designing and building performance battery electric vehicles and aircraft. So the aircraft isn't that they're building planes. It basically means that they're building drones, and they're trying to create a system that not only helps the delivery service, but it's also quicker, right? If you could have a drone that from the vehicle can deliver the package to the doorstep, it would save so much time as opposed to the person who's in the car having to first turn off the car and then deliver it to the door. That would take a lot of time. So yeah, and here is a site that I found. So another big catalyst that could definitely drive up the Workhorse stock would be if Workhorse acquired the USPS contract, which would be huge for the company and would certainly drive it up. So that would certainly drive the stock up. Now, if we scroll down, we can see here that they are actually planning to sell between 300 and 400 vans by the end of 2020. And if they sell each van for around $50,000, that'll be around $20 million of actual revenue that they will generate, as opposed to some other companies like Neo that really haven't been making any sales or really aren't planning on making any sales. So that is actually really huge. It's also a really big market. As we can see here, it says it's an $18 billion market. So if they can get even just a tiny bit amount of that money, they could be making a lot of revenue and a lot of profits, definitely, to be helping the company. So now you might be wondering, well, why is it important if they acquire the contract with USPS? Well, the reason is, well, because USPS is a last mile delivery service, and basically they're the last ones who get the package and have to deliver it and put it at your doorstep. So if they could create a system, like I said, with the batteries and the car that kind of idles instead of being completely turned off, right, it would kind of operate like a golf cart. So a golf cart doesn't really just completely shut off. You just have to get in the car, step on the gas, and it moves. And if you can have a drone that just delivers the package, and the person, all he has to do is sit there and wait while it delivers the package, and then it goes back to the car and you just take off. But you would also have a truck that is less likely to have errors and malfunctions in it, especially if it's electric and it's well built. So these are some of the reasons why I'm definitely bullish on Workhorse. As we can see here, if we see FedEx, they've had an amazing 3 months of increase. If we check out UPS, which does have earnings tomorrow morning, they've also had a fantastic run up. I actually bought a call for UPS because I do believe that it will be going up. So that's basically it. An increase in these companies is basically an increase in demand for Workhorse. So I am definitely bullish on this company. Now, I'm not necessarily saying that it's going to shoot up to $50 within the next couple of months or even by the end of the year. But if they do continue and they do work out their plan that they have, they can definitely steadily increase and grow like a normal stock. So if you want to buy a couple shares now that they're cheap and just hold them for a couple of years and see what comes out of this company, that would definitely be a reasonable thing to do. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think about Workhorse in the comments below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Why or why not? Anyways, guys, if you guys can make sure to also subscribe, because like I said, YouTube did yoink like 16 of my subscribers. So that really sucks. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, that's been it, guys. Peace.